Sublimate a fishing lure. You will need the following materials for this project: a heat press, fishing lure, a ruler, sublimation paper, tape dispenser and heat transfer tape, and a lint roller. We're now going to measure the size of the fishing lure. I'm going to start by measuring the height. It measures 2.75 inches and the width measures 1.13 inches. Let's head over to Canva to design. Let's create the template for our fishing lure. Head over to the top and select custom size, change units to inches, and input the size of the sublimation paper you are using. I'm using a letter size sublimation paper with the width of 11 inches and height of 8.5 inches. Select Create New Design. Head over to Elements, and in the search bar, type Fishing Background. Select See All under Graphics and pick the image that you would like to use. I'm going to be using Dad for my image, and then I'm going to search for my background. I'm using this background here. It's called a Seamless Bluefish Scales pattern. Now we're going to size this pattern to measure 2.8 inches. So what I'm doing is creating a square that is a little bit larger than my fishing lure. Perfect. Now I'm going to change the color of this phrase here, this image over at the top, and I'm picking a black. We're making our dad image 1.2 inches in height. We're going to rotate it. Place it on the pattern. Right click, select layer, and bring forward. 1.2 inches in width. Once we've placed it there, try to center it, but we're not centering the image. We're going to bring it a little lower so that it fits in the larger space of the fishing lure. Select both images, group them, and duplicate them so we can place the same image on both sides. Now we're ready to title and save. Head over to Share, select Download, change file type to PDF print, select Flatten PDF, save download settings, then click Download. Select Save one more time, and open up your file. Open up the print manager for the sublimation printer you are using. I'm using a Sawgrass SG500, so I will be using Sawgrass PrintMate. Take your file and drag it onto Add Files. Next, scroll up, make sure Mirror is selected, and under Product Type, we are going to be choosing Metal. Go over to Color Management, scroll up, and under Color Mode, pick Vibrant, then select Print. I have my prints ready to go. First step before we sublimate is to remove the film from both sides of the fishing lure. Using a lint roller, remove the lint from both sides and place your fishing lure on top of your print. Use heat-resistant tape to secure it down to the paper. With scissors, I'm going to cut my first square, and then I'm going to place it inside my press. Place butcher paper to make sure you don't stain your press. You have the fishing lure facing up. Adjust the pressure before you sublimate. We're sublimating at 385 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 seconds. Once the time is up, open up your press and remove the fishing lure. Being very careful, as you may notice I'm using a weeding tool, remove the fishing lure from the paper. Let it cool off and then tape the other side. We're going to follow the same steps we did before. Place it inside a piece of butcher paper and sublimate with the metal facing up, the side that you're sublimating. Then remove it from your press and remove the paper right away to reveal the final result. Congratulations on completing your first project using the fishing lure. Look how vibrant these colors turned out.